Some of you are doing everything right: gym, style, conversation skills, working on your career. And you still can't figure out why the interest fades so fast after a strong start. Here's the truth. It's not what you're doing right. It's small things you're doing wrong without noticing. 7 of them. Quick, let's get into it. Number 1. Apologizing for things that don't need one. Bump a chair. Sorry. Ask a question. Sorry to bother you. Disagree with her. Sorry, but I think. Every unnecessary sorry chips away at how grounded you seem. Before you say it, ask if you actually did something wrong. If not, don't say it. Number 2. Laughing at your own jokes before she does. Say the line, let it sit. Let her reaction happen on its own. It reads as nervous energy when you rush to fill the silence yourself. If it doesn't land, moving on calmly beats needing the laugh. Number 3. Asking permission for basic decisions. Is it okay if we go here? Would you mind if I ordered this? You don't need a permission slip to live your life. Constantly checking in signals you're scared of upsetting her. Well, just make the call. Confidence isn't asking less, it's deciding more. Number 4. Matching her energy instead of setting your own. She's stressed, you get stressed. She's distant, you chase harder to fix it. This makes you a mirror instead of a man with his own center. Stay at your baseline regardless of what she's doing. Your consistency becomes the stable point she keeps coming back to. Number 5. Over-texting when she goes quiet. A few hours pass, you send a follow-up, then another, then start wondering out loud if she's mad. Silence isn't an emergency. Reply when she replies, and go be somewhere else mentally. Working, training, whatever moves your life forward. Number 6. Downplaying your own opinions to avoid friction. She says something you disagree with. You nod along to keep it smooth. Do that enough, and you stop being a person. You become an echo. Disagree when you actually disagree. It's not confrontation, it's just having a spine. And number 7. Explaining yourself when nobody asked. 5 minutes late, and you justify traffic, parking, your alarm, your whole morning. Nobody needed that. Running behind, here now, does more than a 5-sentence excuse ever could. None of these are character flaws, just habits, built from wanting to be liked too much. Say less. Mean what you say. Let your actions carry the weight, instead of your explanations. Catch even one of these this week, and correct it in real time, mid-sentence if that's what it takes. Peace.